Flood IT, an initiative of Gujarat Urban Co-Operative Bank Federation. Flood IT has empowered the youth of Gujarat by providing them computers at 0% finance in 12 monthly installments. The project was targeted at students from kindergarten to post-graduation, cooperative banks, their branches, and several hundreds of cooperative societies covered under 10,000 rural and semi-urban locations. Computers will spark the quest of knowledge among students and enable them to participate in global economy. Tremendous effort has gone into making Flood IT a success. Across the state, several activities along with seminars were organized to sensitize the youth about the importance of computer and knowledge in today's world. These activities helped in covering the remote places in Gujarat. Flood IT